Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to get fast delivery on Amazon. Start by opening the Amazon app on your device. If you don't have the app installed, go to the Play Store or App Store, download it, and sign in to your Amazon account. Once you're signed in, search for the items you want to purchase and add them to your cart. Next, tap on the cart icon to view your selected items. When you proceed to checkout, you will see different delivery options. Standard delivery is usually free but may take several days. However, if you want faster delivery, you can check for other available options. For many products, Amazon offers faster shipping choices, such as one-day or same-day delivery. If you see an option for faster delivery, select it to receive your package sooner. In some cases, you may have to pay an additional fee for expedited shipping. One of the best ways to get fast delivery on Amazon is by joining Amazon Prime. Prime members get free one-day or same-day delivery on eligible items in select areas. If you are not a Prime member, you will see an option to join when selecting your delivery speed. Tap on Join Prime to start your membership. Once you're an Amazon Prime member, you can choose free same-day delivery at checkout if it is available for your location. To be eligible, your shipping address must be in a supported area, and your order must meet the minimum purchase requirement for same-day delivery. You can check your address eligibility on the checkout page. If same-day delivery is not available for your location, you may still be able to get one-day shipping. This option allows you to receive your package the next day if you place your order before the cutoff time. Simply select one-day shipping at checkout to speed up the delivery process. Another way to get faster delivery is by selecting an Amazon Hub pickup location. Instead of waiting for home delivery, you can choose to pick up your order from an Amazon Hub locker or counter. These locations often receive packages faster than standard home deliveries. If you need an item urgently, check for products labeled with Amazon Day Delivery. This allows Prime members to select a preferred delivery day and receive all their eligible items together. Finally, to avoid delays, always double-check your shipping address before placing an order. Make sure you select the correct address and an eligible shipping method to ensure your package arrives as quickly as possible. That's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.